Hiccups come out of nowhere and just won't stop, right? But why do we hiccup? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts. This forces your vocal cords to snap shut, creating that famous hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, stress, or sudden temperature changes can trigger hiccups. So, how to stop them? Hold your breath for a few seconds. Drink a glass of cold water. Take a spoonful of sugar and let it dissolve slowly. Take deep, slow breaths to relax your diaphragm. Hiccups are usually harmless, but if they last too long, you might need to see a doctor. What's your weirdest hiccup experience?